Very good morning, dear student. So today I am starting a new section of your syllabus, that is a electronic spreadsheet, and under the electronic spreadsheet advanced it is, so under this particular electronic spreadsheet advanced, you have an data analyzing with a spreadsheet, consolidating data, creating the subtotals, then there is also the other different part that you will going to do the work on it. So those the sections what are there that you will find. What if analysis is there, slowly and slowly we will going to do one by one. So each of this particular thing that you have with your particular structures of electronic spreadsheet in advance. So let us start the particular work. Now see here, in this particular excel sheet, what we have, see here, there is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. First sheet 1, let us rename it. How to rename it? You click on it and go to the rename. So I am renaming it here. If you go to the name 2021, okay, 2021. So next I am going to the sheet 2. So sheet 2, I am renaming it as I am going to the rename option, and rename option I am giving 2022. Okay, so this the rename has been given. Now sheet 3, this one I am renaming it, see here, renaming it a consolidated data. Okay, renaming it as consolidated data. Consolidated, consolidated data, data, consolidated data 2021-22. Okay, 2021 and 2022. So these are the three sheets you see here. In the first sheet, those the values are been given here. Those the values, I am just making them little bit bigger and bold, so that I am increasing the size. Just a minute. Okay. First let us increase this one, then let's increase this value, then a little bit increase this one. Okay, then this one also, 2020, those the data value is there. Let us increase it, increase the size of it. Okay, so there we are increasing the size, so we can increase the size, we can change the size that you have seen in class 11. So this is the thing, and let us comes to this particular area also. Let us make this also, increase it, make it 20, and just increase the size of this particular area, then it will going to increase, and this also little bit increase. Okay, so this is the thing you have seen it, that I have named this particular area. I have named this particular area, that it has been sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, that has been given 2021 2022, and it has been named consolidated data of 21-22. Now here, when I am doing the consolidated data, how to consolidate? First I'll come to this particular sheet. So after coming to the particular sheet, then I'll go to the particular option that is called a data. Okay, data menu. Under the data menu, you see here there is consolidated. Okay, so click on the consolidated. As you click on the consolidated, this consolidated window will open. There is a sum. If you click on it, see sum, count, average, minimum, product, number, all these things are different things are there. So I am selecting the sum. Then I am going to the reference. After going to the reference, I am going to the sheet 1, which is 2001 I have named. So from here I am selecting the range. Suppose I am selecting this range. Okay, after selecting this range, just a minute. Let us, this was the previous values, let us delete them. Okay, now let us come to the consolidated area. So this is also the previous value is there, so we can delete this one. So these all are deleted now. Previously it has been done for, so let us come to this area and select the range. Okay, suppose this range has been selected. After selecting, do click on the add button. Now come on the 2002. In 2002, as the range is selected, see here by default the range has already selected, added. After adding it, now come to the sheet number 3, then you do OK. So what you will going to find, that in this particular area, in this particular part, how it will going to execute. So now you can see here, as we have taken the two values and those two values has been added, and this is what the taking the two different cell values, this is the value has been came here. Okay, so this is how you can do the particular consolidated data. That means this is how you can consolidate the data and bring the particular values in this area. Okay, so this is what is your consolidated data is. So as you have seen it, now you see one new list is there in front of you. In this list I want to do the subtotal. So as I need to do the subtotal, you can see it, this is our total area, this is the total particular part based on which we want to do the subtotal. So we will go to the data. Okay, so as we go to the data, the data tab you see here, there are the so many options. First we have done the consolidated data. Now you find it here, that we will going to search for the option that is called a subtotal. See here under the outline there is a subtotal option. So if you click on the subtotal, see the row is immediately above. So okay, so we have to click on the subtotal. As we need to click on the subtotal, then we will going to find how the subtotal is working. Now see that how we are going, so that is a little bit of the, first we have selected the total area based on which we will go. Then this is the, because previously we haven't selected the area, therefore it is showing the warning that the thing has not been selected. You have to select the total area based on which that subtotal to be done. So you will go to the outline under the data, then there is a subtotal option. So you click on the subtotal option. So see here based on sale. Okay, based on sale you want to do the subtotal. So when you do it, see here the OK button is there. If you click on the OK button, you will find, see, thing has been subtotaled. Okay, based on the sale the thing has been subtotal. So this is how you can implement the particular subtotal there. In this particular subtotal you will going to have your working fix. Okay, so this is how you can implement the subtotal. Now we will see about the what if analysis. Now we will I will going to show you the what if analysis, scenario manager. Under what if analysis, scenario manager, goal seek and data table solver. So how to do all these things, let us see them step by step. Now suppose that you have a different bank is giving different type of interest. Okay, so see this is the loan amount, this is the first interest. Suppose I have make it 12%, I have made it 12%. Then any NPR that has been, and type has been given here, the type has been given the 0 type. What is the type? Now I am to I need to count the what is the per month interest that you need to give. Okay, how you need to give the per month interest. So for a different bank, suppose it is different bank is making different pattern of interest rate, that one it what it will be. So what it will do, first you have to write a formula here. What is the formula? Equals to, you will going to write here that what is the formula that you need to, that means we are going to make here as a PMT, isn't it? So that particular formula you will going to write it here. What is that? That is a PMT. Okay, PMTC, it's the formula as you call the function came here, then you open the bracket here. After opening the bracket, you select the value. Suppose you are selecting this one, this particular value. Okay, this is what this particular value is divided by, I am doing divided by 12. Okay, other else you will not going to get the answer. Then give a comma, then you write B3. Okay, B3. So B3 as the cell, you see the cell is been selected. After B3 then you write there B1. So B1 cell is selected, that means the above loan amount is selected. After the loan amount is selected, then you give there 10. Okay, sorry, 10, and then after the 0 then you give B4. Okay, so B4. So now you close it. So if you close it and enter it, you see one minus value has been shown to you here. Clear? Now when the minus value has been shown to you, now what you need to do, what if analysis. So come in a data, under the data you find here what if analysis. Click on the what if analysis, see scenario, goal seek, and data table. So first we will do the scenario manager. Let open this one. So first you do what? Add. When you do add scenario name, suppose HDFC Bank, HDFC, then bank, BANK, HDFC Bank. Now sale, what is the sale that you want to give it here? So you are I am giving here from B1, because we have a range from B1, B1 colon B4. Okay, so B1 colon B4, this is the range has been given. So it has been done by, suppose I am giving done by what, suppose SS. Okay, so prevent change. Okay, that should be clicked on. Now clicked on the OK button. As soon as you clicked on the OK button, you find this those the structure will going to come. Now you do what? Add. As soon as you do add, suppose another I am writing SBI Bank, BANK, SBI Bank. So range, what we will going to give this only. This also I am making it by suppose SS, created by SS. So okay, so if you do it okay, next when you come it here, you can change the particular data. Suppose I am making it 11. Okay, now I go and make it add. So another add, another bank name I am giving here, suppose ICICI Bank, ICICI. Okay, so that is the range created by, I am giving here again SS. So okay, so here the particular pattern I am changing it, suppose 9%. Okay, so add, first you have to add it, then after adding this particular thing, what you can find, see those the things are being added here. Okay, so as you if you want to cancel anything, you can cancel it also. You can cancel it also, and cancelling this you can make the different pattern of changes that will be done. Clear? That will be done. So when you click on this, you see here, suppose those the thing for this particular bank, SBI Bank. SBI Bank, if you make add. Okay, SBI Bank, just a moment. SBI Bank, if you do show, see here there is show. see the data value is changing. Have you made? If you make ICICI Bank do show, see data value is changing. That means if you want to add more, you can go and add here more. Suppose another bank I am giving IDBI. Okay, IDBI bank, BANK, IDBI bank. This is the range created by, now I am giving the created capital SS. So give one space here. Okay, so when it asks the percentage, rate of percentage, suppose I am giving here 8%. So okay, after that you can see here show. So whichever bank you want, suppose HDFC Bank, show what is the 12%, it is showing to you, see 12% the amount what you have to give EMI. If you are going to the SBI, do it show, see the value is changing. If you going to the ICICI Bank, show, see the value is changing. If you are going to the IDBI Bank, make it show, see the value is changing. So this is what we know as scenario. Okay, using the scenario manager you can do the particular thing, and you can make the particular thing. So this is what about your scenario. If you want to close it, you can close it, the scenario will going to close. Now I'll show you how to do the gold seek. Gold seek means that if you do certain change in certain area, then there will be change in the other particular field what you will going to decide. So see here, I have given an interest, NPR, loan and EMI. So in this particular area I will going to give equals to sign, then I am giving here PMT. Okay, then I open the bracket. After I open the bracket, then I will select the cell, the particular cell which we will find. Suppose B1 then divided by 12. Okay, B1 divided by 12 comma, after giving the comma, then I'll select the B2 cell, then give a comma. After selecting the B2 cell, then I'll select a B3 cell, then I'll give a comma. After giving the comma, then I'll put one 0 there. So 1 0 after B3, then 1 0, then comma, then B4. Okay, I am writing here B4, B4. Now if I close this and if I give enter, you see the different cell has been selected, and their colors has been changed. Now if I give enter, you see one value will going to replicate. Now where I'll go to the data option. After the data, then I'll go what if analysis. There you can find goal seek option is there. In this goal seek, first you have to select the cell. Which cell? Suppose this cell. So after selecting the cell, then you have to come to the value. Suppose I am giving a minus 5 0 0 0 0, 4 zeros. Then change by which cell values. Now which cell value you want to change it. So I am giving here which cell value we want to change. We are giving here B1. Okay. So when it has been okay, see here that thing has been changed, that 11% it has come. Then you click on OK. This is what the goal seek is. That means depending on a certain value, you will going to you can calculate the different interest rate of the different area. Okay, so this is what we can find it, that how you can do it and how you can work on it. Clear? So this is what is your goal seek, and in the goal what if analysis goal seek option. Now see that I will going to show you the data table, the last part of the what if analysis. Data table, the data table how you are going to do. See, I have making one chart that price is 250, quantity is 50, discount is 10%. So net price, what will be the net price? So here suppose I am giving a formula is that I am opening a bracket, then B3 into B4 I am doing, B3 into B4, sorry, just a moment, I am changing this. I am taking this, then this is B5 into B6 I am doing, then I am closing the bracket, and then I am doing minus. Okay, then I am opening the bracket again, and the again another bracket I am opening, again I am writing b5 into b6. So b5 into b6. So I am closing this bracket. After closing this bracket, into 10, okay, into 10 divided by 100. 10 means this one, discount, into 10 divided by 100. So divided by 100. So close the bracket. Okay, after closing this, what we can do, we can put the enter, and we will going to get obviously certain value there. So as we are getting the values, now what we will going to do, we will going to go to the data. So see data menu. In the data menu, then there is what if analysis, there is a table. So in the table, that the table will going to come, in this particular table we need to select the row cell that you need to input. Okay, so which row cell that you require to input, that particular row cell value is required here. Okay, so in this particular row cell, let us see which row cell we will going to give. So as we are doing the data table, see here, this data table, first I have given some price, as you have seen it. This particular formula has been given to calculate it. After that, what we will going to do is that here I have created down price, and here I have given some of the values, and after I have given some of the values, here is also different price values I have given. Now after that, this particular area I am selecting. After selecting the particular area, then I will go to the what if analysis, then the data table. So as you go to the data table, first we will select the price here, and after that rows, and then the columns, then I am going to select the quantity. Okay, then I click on OK. As I click on OK, you see that based on the different price, the different value will going to come. So this is what is about your working with the table and the solver that we are implementing in this particular what if analysis. Okay, so this is what about the total first sections with an what if analysis, scenario manager, and working with the different patterns of your data analysis in a data sheet, different way of data analysis in a data sheet. This is what the implementation is. So today I am ending my today's session here on this spreadsheet, first section of data analysis, scenario manager, goal seek, what if analysis, creating the table. Next shift we will going to discuss the next part of the data analysis and of the spreadsheet, different part of the spreadsheet, linking the data sheet and other all the different things. So thank you all.